This is an Akai CR-83D 8-track deck. It is functional, but I need to go through it. It needs a tune-up, and I'm going to go ahead and replace some components inside too. It's got some transistors are known to go bad and cause noise, and the power supply could use a recap. Well, I've got everything changed out, and I had some problems with the track changer working with the sensor, and it had a bad ground wire, so I just replaced the ground wire, and that's working now. But now I'm going to try to, I don't know if you can see it down there or not, but that cap stand has a shiny area in the middle, and I'm going to try to roughen that up a little bit. So this is what I made to try to roughen up the cap stand. That's a 150 grit wet dry sandpaper with double-sided tape holding it on that pulley, and I've got the deck unplugged. I'm going to try to get this in here. Okay, and now I don't know if you can see down, and you can see it turning down there. That's rubbing against the cap stand. There you can see that spinning with the cap stand. So instead of sanding it down, it hopefully will be leaving a matte finish on it. I'm going to let this run for a little bit, and then check that cap stand, and then put it back in if we have to. And of course, when we get done, we'll have to thoroughly clean it. Well, I've got the LED lights installed. There's a little rectifying circuit coming off of the 5.5 volt tap from the transformer. And I've got one there, two right there, another one there, and I've got one there on the counter, and I left that one, that incandescent bulb in. I took the one that was there out.